morning. Am I audible and visible to all? Okay. Study. Adjust your mat and cameras. Sit comfortably in any easy posture. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your spine straight and gently close your eyes. Bring your all attention and awareness towards your breath. Continue deep breathing. And now, to start our class on a positive note, together we'll chant one time Om, then Gayatri Mantra. Breathe in. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Inhale and exhale. Gently open up your eyes. Namaskaram, Suprabhatam to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Always Live Yoga. Alright. So, सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. I hope everyone is aware about that. Alright. So today we'll be doing little bit of conversation about it as every day is yoga day for us. So आज थोड़ा सा इस occasion को हम celebrate करने के लिए we'll be sharing our yoga journey and how it has bring changes in our lives, right? So I'll start with myself and then you can speak up one by one. Okay. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो लोग मेरे को जानते हैं पिछले 1 ईयर से मैं रेगुलर ये सेशन ले रही हूँ एंड जो नहीं भी जानते हैं माय नेम इज़ अंजलि एंड आई एम फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड. सो मेरी जो योगा जर्नी है वो स्टार्ट हुई थी एज अ किड. खेल खेल में मैंने शीर्षासन चक्रासन सीखा अपने फादर से, उनको देखते हुए उनसे इंस्पायर होते हुए एंड आई अडेप्टेड इज एज अ हॉबी. एंड फिर उसके बाद कॉलेज के टाइम पे स्कूल के टाइम पे आई प्रैक्टिस ऑन एंड ऑफ, बट रेगुलर जो प्रैक्टिस है प्रॉपर गाइडेंस के साथ आई प्रैक्टिस अंडर माय टीचर सिंस 2019 हियर इन ऋषिकेश only and after during my graduation, and after that I pursued my post graduation in yoga itself from University of Patanjali Haridwar. उसके बाद ही last year मेरा post graduation complete हुआ है, then I started teaching regularly here. So that's all of my yoga journey and the changes which I have felt it has which I feel कि मेरी life में जो changes आए हैं योग के द्वारा, it has bring me so much of mental peace and calm. मतलब सिचुएशंस में कैसे रिएक्ट करना जहाँ पे हम यूजुअली एंग्री हो जाते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि योग की वजह से ही आई बिकम मोर पीसफुल than before I was, right? So but definitely yoga not only works on the physical level, it changes you mentally also. So that is all about me, and everyone please feel free to talk. I hope कोई ना कोई स्टार्ट करना चाहे. Yes, Anil ji.
Namaste, good morning.
Namaste.
Wish you a happy International Yoga Day, madam. To all my colleagues who are joining this. For yoga, regularly, like in classes, I am doing from last 2 years. July 22, I started. with Always Live Yoga and online session. But earlier also I was doing, but not so systematically, and it was just like a routine, some asanas and yogas. लेकिन जब जुलाई 22 में मैंने शुरू किया, so in last almost 2 years, it's going to be 2 years next 15th of July, and it's a lot of changes. Lot of changes. One is my like you said, थोड़ा thinking process also started changing. Calmness आ जाता है थोड़ा सा. You are not very hurry to take a decision, because the
Right.
way the environment I'm working, it's little work pressure तो रहता ही है सबको, but that is also I'm handling very well. Secondly, health issues. Like I had some health issues, as I said earlier. In 2020, I had some stents. But after that, also, I have managed all my parameters, and controlled. Everything is under control. And flexibility has also increased, because from earlier, I was not able to, bend properly, and so many things. Means it has changed a lot. And overall, the you can say the lifestyle also improved, and my energy level also improved. And thanking you personally, last almost 8 9 months, from October onwards, I am with you, and it was a very fantastic and very very means different type of yoga I am experiencing with you, and I'm enjoying, and I think it has become a routine in our life, and I think throughout our life it will be there now. Thank you very much for
Thank
supporting
you
and
so
guiding
much,
us.
Anand.
Yes,
You
yes.
are also an inspiration for all of us. Like in your age, most of people don't tend to focus on their health, and यही होता है, एक एज के बाद हेल्थ डिटोरिएट होना शुरू हो जाती है, एंड पीपल यूज टू नेग्लेक्ट दैट थिंग. बट द एनर्जी विच यू हैज एंड द डिटर्मिनेशन जिसके साथ आप डेली ज्वाइन करते हैं, इट्स कमेंडेबल.
And for the this, I am running 61. I'm
ओके.
61. And यहाँ पे in Uganda, is at this time it's a 6:30 in the morning. So every day I have to join at 6:30 in the morning.
राइट.
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Anyone else who want to share their experiences?
Hi,
Muruji.
good morning, everyone. My name is Murugendra, and Muru is my shorter version of my name, which I normally display on Zoom. I was a very workaholic person, and almost for close to 35, 36 years, I have not done anything as in not even walking nor yoga, and I had a lot of problems, the neck ache, back ache, so many things, but never thought of doing anything like that. But during post COVID, had some issues, and um, in fact, my wife started yoga, and I joined her post COVID, and it really helped me to improve my immunity. And then I started focusing on my the neck ache and back ache issues and all. And now I'm doing well. And me being associated with the Always Yoga from more than a year now, and I think I'm joining your class maybe I think 4 or 5 months since then. And
Right.
I have also shared my feedback. Your yoga instructions and the variations what you bring in are really good, and you are very technical. You know how to take care of. I mean, each part. How does it work? And if there is any issue, and whatever exercise you propose, that really works a lot. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Muruji. Uh, I have also seen lots of changes in you. Like in starting, जब आपने start करा था, I think आज से 2 3 महीने पहले. So that time your body was so stiff and you were not able to even like reach down. now I have seen the improvement in your flexibility. You have been doing great. Yes. Anyone else who want to share?
Hi, my name is Fatima. So
Hi.
I've recently joined Always Live Yoga. So I think I'll be a really newbie here. So, but I've done yoga while I was in college. When my health was also little low and my mental peace also was little low. So I really enjoyed doing yoga very much then. But now, since I have two babies back to back. So in like 3 years. So one is now 3 year and one is now 1 year old. So I gained a lot of weight, and you know that there are a lot of postpartum issues associated. So I started doing yoga 1 month ago. That's when I heard about I Always Like Yoga, so that I can do yoga from home. I'm really enjoying doing yoga. And to you personally, I've tried different teachers of Live Yoga, and I like all of them. But I should personally tell you, you are really good. Like I always strive to be in your session than any other session, because if ever only I miss your session, then I'll enter any other session. So you're doing like really, really good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That means a lot, Fatima ji. Thank you so much. Okay. Anyone else who want to share their experiences? Yes, Geeta ji.
Yes. As she said, right, I also second her opinion. I always like to be in your session. The reason is you're very dedicated. It's not that others are not, but I find something unique in you. The way you do things, mostly the stretches and the other things, right, which actually help us to relieve the pain, which we will not know immediately, but gradually there is a progress, there is an improvement in the ailments. Of course, it can't be cured 100% in all cases, but definitely there is a reduction in the pain. I always admire the way you teach. It's really good. I've also attended the other sessions. As she said, when you're not there, I'll jump to the other classes. But it's really good. This theme of having yoga always, right? Any hour you miss, you join into other session. So that theme
Right,
itself is very good. That flexi concept is very good, appreciable, and all the teachers are also good. Very good.
right, right.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for all your efforts.
Thank you so much, Geeta ji. So kind of you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hi, Sundata ji.
I also did from so many years I'm doing yoga, ma'am, but not always live yoga, but on and off. But after Corona, I joined Always Live Yoga. Since 3 years, I'm doing from different teachers of Always Live Yoga. But as so many said, I also like your session. Sometimes to break the routine, I will join just for fun. I will go to other classes, or otherwise, I prefer your class. You know, you are always seeing me, no ma'am. Just weekly
Yes,
once. Once I will go to some other class, or always I will prefer your class, ma'am. And I'm having granddaughter also. But after joining yoga, I will feel like I'm just 25 years old. No pain from top to toe. I'm 56. How much energy 25 years back I'm having, the same energy now also I'm having. I will do dance and everything. Because of this yoga, I improve lot of flexibility. I like doing dance. Since my
right.
children settled, just uh, I'm completing my passion towards dance. And this yoga helped me a lot by doing all these cultural activities. Thank
So
you.
glad to hear.
This is the only place I am continuously doing the yoga. Or otherwise, before on and off, I will do 4 months and I will take break. And after 1 year again, I will start doing. But since last 3 years, I'm continuously doing yoga.
Yes,
Except,
Sumlata ji, I have been seeing you consistently in the all classes in this
yeah,
session, or if you are not in this session, you are present in other one.
yeah.
I remember you like that way. जो लोग
Yes.
daily join करते हैं, I remember the faces.
Yes, yes, ma'am. But I like your class because any age can do your class, ma'am. That much I can say. Even irrespective of age group, regarding if I am young or old, everybody can do your class because yours is a slow pace. Yoga
Right,
means
thank you.
so.
I
So
try to like keep it for everyone. कोशिश करती हूँ मैं कि variation रहे, सब लोग कर पाए, right?
Yes, that I observed because I attended so many classes, ma'am. Goa, Chennai, Bangalore. Now I am in Vijayawada. So I attended so many gurus. Everybody can do your class. That much I can say, and it is very effective. The bends and all, and you will keep only 5 counts initially. So that is motivation for us. Lot 20, 30 means sometimes we are unable to do. So
Right.
and you are slowly from 5 counts to your sometimes you will count 10. So this is age factor. We can 5 counts means okay only 5. No, that's so that we are able to keep the pose very properly.
Right.
That is I observed, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Samrita ji. Yes, Vijay ji. Are you saying something?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Vijay Lakshmi.
Yes.
Can you hear? Yeah, I'm from
Yes,
Bangalore.
yes.
From more than 2 years, I'm doing yoga, and from 1.5 years, I am with Always Live Yoga. And I like it very much. I even recommend to my friends. It's very flexible, and you are the best teacher. I have got if I don't do yoga one day, I miss it really, and it has got more flexibility and energy into my life. It's very nice. Thank you.
Glad to hear, Vijay ji. Okay. Anyone else who want to share? सुनीता जी, आपने अभी 1-2 महीने हो गए प्रैक्टिस करते हुए, कैसा लग रहा है अभी पहले से?
गुड मॉर्निंग। हाँ, मेरे को 3 मंथ कंटिन्यू हुए, 4th स्टार्ट है ये ऑलवेज योगा
Right.
लाइव योगा। तो मैंने 6 मंथ पहले भी नेहा मैम से किया था, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। पर अभी ये मेरे को टाइम भी सूट करता है। आपकी जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, मेरा जो बेंडिंग का, मैं आपको मेरी प्रॉब्लम मालूम है, तो उससे मेरे को
Right.
काफी इम्प्रूव हुआ है, पर लिटिल बिट अभी और बाकी है करना इम्प्रूवमेंट
पर
मेरे को।
मैंने आपकी स्ट्रेंथ में काफी चेंजेस देखे, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ काफी अच्छी होगी।
हाँ, नहीं, मेरे को वो भी फील हो रहा है कि आपके मीन्स क्लास 3 मंथ तो मैंने कंटिन्यू किया, अभी 4th वापस स्टार्ट हुआ है 4th मंथ से। तो काफी बॉडी में अच्छा लगता है, माइंड को भी, और रिलैक्स लगता है, बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दिस।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
आपको, अनिल जी को देख के मुझे भी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है कि हाँ एट सच एज वी कैन डू एनीथिंग।
या थैंक यू सो
चलिए,
मच।
ओके ओके। एनीवन एल्स वांट टू शेयर?
Yeah. So, ma'am, hi.
यस
Can you hear me?
यस आई कैन हियर।
Okay, good. So actually, I have started this yoga session from I guess past 1 month, but due to my work, I keep changing sessions because I don't get that much time. But I guess from last 4 days, I'm trying. I have got your class, and I have started enjoying your class as well. One more teacher I have from I always this platform, but your class also I'm enjoying, but I'll try to be in all of your sessions. But yeah, due to my kid is very small, I have my own small business as well, so that's why I keep changing classes. But yeah, it has helped me to control my anxiety because I have anxiety issues. I have weight issues. I have cervical due to continuously sitting on the screen. So I guess it will help me more for all these things. But basically, my mental peace that is coming. If I'm missing yoga for one day, I cannot concentrate on my work because my eyes are hampered due to continuous screen. So yeah, but it is helping, and your face, like you are very calm. So I guess that is helping me more to understand your session. And yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your effort.
Thank you, Kanika ji. So glad to hear that yoga has been helping you.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, okay. Okay, I think everyone has covered their part. So let's start with today's session. We'll keep today's session a little short and we'll try to focus on overall body. So everyone come on top of your mat. We'll start with Tadasana. सभी मैट ओके सभी ताड़ासन के लिए मैट पे आ जाएंगे. Interlace your both palms over your head. With inhale, stretch your both arms up. Lift your arms up high. Exhale, धीरे से वापस. श्वास भरते हुए ऊपर, श्वास छोड़ते हुए नीचे. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Inhale up and hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. धीरे से वापस. Now दोनों हाथ सामने. कटी चक्रासना. 1. Make sure your arms are at shoulder level. Swing your arms fully side by side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel a gentle twist around your waist. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now keep your both feet open, side bending, palm beside your thigh. Slide your palm fully down towards your ankle and come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going, 8, 9. कोशिश करेंगे to touch your ankle or the mat, and 10. धीरे से वापस, lean forward, open your arms beside your shoulder. Now one by one, alternatively touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ऊपर वाले हाथ को पूरा पीछे मूव करेंगे. 7, 8, 9 and 10. धीरे से वापस. अब यहीं से सर्वांग पुष्टि. Interlace your both palms over your head. Turn towards your right side. Stretch your both arms up. Make sure to keep your arms parallel to your ears and go down. Touch your feet from the right side. यहीं से go to your left. Touch your palm on your left feet. Then along, keeping your arms along with your ears, come up and continue with the same movement. 1, दोनों हाथ कानों के साथ. 2, 3, lengthen your spine fully, हाथों का पूरा खिंचाव सामने. 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. धीरे से वापस. Now यहीं से lift your both arms up, move your lower back forward. With exhale, touch your fingertips behind your back by passing your arms through your both legs. Breathe in. श्वास भरते हुए हाथ ऊपर, कमर आगे. श्वास छोड़ते हुए हाथ पीछे. Go fully forward. Keep going. 2, 3, 4. Try to go a little bit more behind with each breath. Go slow. श्वास भरते हुए पूरा ऊपर. Arch your back fully. श्वास छोड़ते हुए पूरा सामने जाने का प्रयास. 8, 9. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in and we will hold down. सामने जाएंगे. If you have any kind of back issue, hold halfway. बाकी सभी पूरा पीछे जाने का प्रयास करेंगे. Turn your finger pointing backwards and stretch your fingertips more behind you. Hold there. 1, knee straight. Knee को सीधा रखेंगे यामिनी जी. 2, keep stretching your chin down. chin को सामने की तरफ stretch रखिए. 3, मनस्वी जी पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा सा distance और बढ़ाएंगे. 4, Kanika ji knees straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Gunjan ji knee straight and 10. धीरे से वापस दोनों हाथ कमर पे. Come up and now close your feet. Relax. Now open your feet again for त्रिकोणासन. दोनों पैर के बीच में 2 feet apart or 3 feet apart distance according to your height. Turn your right toe facing on the right side. Make sure the arch of your left feet, जो left पैर का उठा हुआ हिस्सा है और आपका right heel है, वो बिल्कुल एक लाइन में हो. Arms open beside your shoulder. Lean towards your right side as if you are catching something very far away. Then उसके बाद try to touch your toe और grab your toe. अगर toe पे नहीं जाता है हाथ तो ankle या shin bone and hold करेंगे यहाँ पे. Keep stretching your upper arm upwards. Shoulder बिल्कुल knee के ऊपर. Gaze towards your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep stretching your upper arm upwards. 9, 10. Very nice. सभी ने बहुत बढ़िया किया. धीरे से वापस. अब हम साइड चेंज करेंगे. राइट टो अंदर, लेफ्ट टो बाहर. Arch of your right feet and your left heel in one line. Stretch your arm to the left side. Try to grab your toe or touch your toe or your ankle or shin bone. ऊपर वाले हाथ का खिंचाव पूरा ऊपर की ओर. And look up. Chin on your right shoulder. Gaze up towards your palm. 1, 2, 3. Knees straight, everyone. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yamini ji knee straight. 9 and 10. धीरे से वापस. Stay there. Keep your feet open. यहीं से हम त्रिकोणासन B के लिए जाएंगे. Turn towards your right side. राइट साइड में टर्न हो जाएंगे. मेक श्योर राइट पैर तो बिल्कुल सामने है, लेफ्ट पैर हल्का सा बाहर खुलेगा. लेफ्ट फीट लिटिल बिट फेसिंग आउट. नाउ Press your left side of your waist, turn your torso completely in front, look up and exhale. Stretch your chin forward, elbows pointing up, chin is stretched forward. Come halfway down. यहाँ से feel the stretch behind your legs. Knees बिल्कुल सीधे. Touch your fingertips on the mat. Left हाथ नीचे लगाएंगे. Left हाथ left. राइट पैर नीचे है, लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे है. अगर नी बेंड होता है, नहीं पहुंच रहा है हाथ, पीछे वाले पैर को और पीछे ले जाइए. ड्रॉप योर लेफ्ट पाम डाउन, रेज योर राइट आर्म अप, लुक अप टुवर्ड्स योर अपर पाम. बैलेंस बनाएंगे. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बैलेंस बनाना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. स्टे स्टिल, कंट्रोल योर ब्रेथ, फाइंड योर बैलेंस. 1 2, बहुत बढ़िया. 3, फातिमा जी नी स्ट्रेट. गुंजन जी जो ऊपर है हाथों नीचे आएगा, नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा. 4, करेक्ट. एंड 5, धीरे से ऊपर खड़े होंगे, आराम से, बिना बॉडी को ज्यादा शेक करे हुए. अब वी विल टर्न टू द लेफ्ट साइड. पूरा लेफ्ट साइड में टर्न हो जाएंगे. लेफ्ट टो तो सामने रहेगा, राइट पैर हल्का सा बाहर, एंड बोथ लेग्स इन वन लाइन. प्रेस द राइट साइड ऑफ योर बॉडी, फुल्ली फेसिंग इन फ्रंट. कमर एकदम सीधी. इनहेल, लुक अप, स्ट्रेच योर चिन फॉरवर्ड, गो फॉरवर्ड. सामने जाएंगे, सामने देखते रहिए. नाउ टच योर राइट पाम डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड. राइट हाथ को नीचे लगाएंगे, राइट हाथ नीचे, और लेफ्ट हाथ ऊपर. फाइंड योर बैलेंस. ऊपर मत देखना पहले बैलेंस बनाएंगे हाथ रखने के बाद. व्हेन यू फील कंप्लीटली स्टिल एंड स्टेडी, देन लुक अप टुवर्ड्स योर पाम. होल्ड देयर. नी स्ट्रेट. यामिनी जी नी बेंड हो रहा है आपका, सामने वाला भी. 1 2, keep pressing your kneecap down. Very good, Monica ji. Knee straight. 3 4 and 5. आराम से ऊपर आएंगे and relax. Move your legs a bit. अब हम करेंगे ट्री पोज, वृक्षासना. So वृक्षासन के लिए
हेलो
you have to. Yes, कनिका जी.
मैम, मुझे सर्वाइकल है बहुत ज्यादा, तो अगर कोई सर्वाइकल उसके लिए होगा तो प्लीज मुझे बता देना, बिकॉज कल मुझे चक्कर आ रहे थे उसके बाद.
ओके ओके, आई रिमेम्बर. ठीक है.
ओके, थैंक यू.
वृक्षासन आप कर सकते हैं आराम से. वृक्षासन के लिए आपको एडजस्ट करना है राइट पैर को इनर थाई पे. ओके, यहाँ पे दोनों हाथों को ओपन करेंगे साइड में. जो यहाँ पे पैर एडजस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, दे कैन एडजस्ट द फीट बिसाइड द नी और काफ आल्सो. नी पॉइंटिंग ऑन द साइड, टो पॉइंटिंग डाउन, हील पॉइंटिंग अप. ओके, बैलेंस योरसेल्फ हियर. एक किसी भी बिंदु पे अपनी नजर को टिका लेंगे. फिक्स योर गेज एट वन सिंगल पॉइंट, देन लिफ्ट योर palms up. With complete stillness, hold here for 10 seconds. 1 2, keep your body rooted down through your left foot. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. पहले हाथों को नीचे लाएंगे बिल्कुल आराम से, बिना ज्यादा बॉडी को मूव करते हुए. Then release your feet. Now we will change the side. Left feet on your right inner thigh. Keep your back straight. Arms open beside you. धीरे धीरे lift your arms up while keeping your gaze fixed at single point. Hold here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. धीरे से हाथों को नीचे लाएंगे. Then release your feet down. And now sit down everyone on your mat. आराम से mat पे बैठ जाएंगे. Sit comfortably in Baddha Konasana, butterfly posture. कमर को बिल्कुल सीधा रखेंगे. Pat your thighs on ground. आंखें बंद. And touch your thighs each time when you touch your legs down. Continue. $30 तक continue रखेंगे. If you can increase the pace, do with the increased pace. कमर सीधी, shoulders relaxed. Last 20. Last 10. धीरे से वापस. Now put your both palm behind your back. अपने दोनों हाथों को बिल्कुल पास रखेंगे पीछे. यहाँ पे कंधों को धीरे धीरे पीछे की ओर मूव करेंगे. And move your chest forward. Thoracic region में आपका पूरा stretch आएगा on your upper back. Lift your chest up. Kanika ji, if you can, try to lift your chin slightly up. बाकी सभी drop your head back. Hold here. Keep lifting your chest up high. Feel the stretch on your whole upper back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. धीरे से वापस. Now दोनों हाथ सामने. Keep your back straight and walk with your fingertips while keeping your abdomen towards your feet. Chin is stretched in front. नीचे नहीं देखेंगे, सामने देखते रहेंगे. Exhale के साथ chin in front, gaze in front, keeping your fingertips forward. Active stretch on your arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now Supta Baddha Konasana. Open your both feet like a book. एक किताब की तरह दोनों पैरों को ओपन करेंगे. यहाँ पे with inhale, lift your chest and chin up. Exhale, open your elbows out. Round your back and try to touch your forehead on your toes. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. धीरे से वापस. Now दोनों पैर सामने. Keep your feet open in shoulder apart distance. कंधों के बराबर आपके पैरों के बीच में distance होगा. Palm behind your back, finger facing towards your hip. एक हाथ का distance body और हाथ के बीच में. Fingers wide apart. Now keep your shoulders back, chest up, and then lift your lower back up to tabletop position. You can keep the neck at neutral or drop your neck back. Hold here. कमर को कंधों को पूरा ऊपर लाते रहिए. 1, 2, keep lifting your lower back up high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. धीरे से वापस. And now lay down comfortably on your back. First we'll do knee rotation. Arms open beside your body. Move your knee in circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. धीरे से वापस. Now मरकटासन. दोनों पैर सामने. Arms open beside your shoulders. Bend your right knee in 90-degree angle. Your knee and hip in one line, knee and ankle in one line. Hold your right thigh with your left palm. Drop your right leg down towards your left side and look towards your right. Touch your knee down on the ground and कोशिश करेंगे at the same time keep your shoulder grounded too. आपके knee और shoulder दोनों नीचे लगे हों. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Slowly come back. Now straight your right leg. Bend your left knee. Grab your left thigh with your right palm from the outer side. Drop your left leg on the right side and look towards your left side. Make sure your knee and shoulder both are grounded. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Slowly come back and relax. Now keep your both palm beside your body. Setu Bandhasana. With inhale, lift your lower back up high. Hold here. 1, 2. Keep lifting your lower back up higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. धीरे से वापस. Slowly come down. Now place your right ankle over your left knee. Right ankle बिल्कुल left knee के ऊपर. Lift your left feet up. Interlace your palm under your ankle and knee on your left thigh. Now bring your ankle and knee down close to your chest. Hold here. कोशिश करेंगे ankle पूरा chest पे touch हो जाए. This is a very good practice to reduce lower back pain and also very good for sciatica issue. 1, 2. Make sure your lower back is grounded. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now side change. Left ankle over your right knee. Lift your right feet up. Interlace your palm around your thigh from under your knee and ankle. Now bring your ankle and knee down close to your chest. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now grab your both feet from the outer side. Press your thighs and knees beside your body. Keep your lower back grounded and massage your back by moving your knees side by side. Rock your body 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. धीरे से वापस. Now hug your both knees, lift your head up, round your back, and rock your body up and down. Massage your back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release and relax. Open your arms beside you. Keep your both palms facing up. Drop your toes on the side. Feet open. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body and rest your mind. शरीर को इतना ढीला छोड़ देंगे. Let your whole body sink down towards the ground. Loosen up each and every part. Let go of all the mental thoughts with each exhale and stay focused on your breath only. Breathe in and breathe out through your belly. As you breathe in, your abdomen will expand up. When you breathe out, it will go down. Continue. Do not force your breath. Keep it as natural as possible. Allow your body and mind to rest in Shavasana. आपका शरीर आपको इतना हल्का महसूस हो कि सारा वेट धीरे धीरे आपको कम लगे बॉडी का. कंटिन्यू. शरीर बिल्कुल रुई के समान हल्का, मन बिल्कुल शांत. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your legs, your toes, your fingertips, and your mind. Be present in this moment. Exhale out any kind of negative thought, any emotion, whatever bothers you, whatever doesn't serve you. Exhale it out. Let it go. Let it pass. Now slowly, with closed eyes, gently move your toes, move your fingertips, bend your knees one by one, stretch your both arms up over your head, turn towards your left side, using your left hand like a pillow. Take in deep breath, inhale and exhale. Slowly come up, sit in any easy comfortable posture. किसी भी आसान ध्यानात्मक आसन में बैठ जाएंगे. Roll your shoulders back, keep your spine straight, gently close your eyes. Bring your all attention and awareness towards your breath. और अब हम करेंगे conscious breathing. दोनों हाथ आपके साइड में. Touch your fingertips on ground. Breathe in as you lift your arms up and touch your fingertips over your head, and keep breathing in till you touch your fingers. And start breathing out very slowly as you bring your arms down, and keep breathing out until you touch your fingertips on ground. Continue this movement. With each round, slow down the pace of your arms in breath. Keep the exhalation part for the same duration as inhalation part. Keep going. कमर गर्दन सीधी, आंखें बंद. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out very slowly. धीरे से वापस. Roll your shoulders, sit straight. और अब हम करेंगे भ्रामरी प्राणायाम 3 बार. For भ्रामरी, produce humming sound like a bee. भौरे के समान गुंजन करेंगे 3 बार. With closed eyes, ear and mouth. Cover your ears with your thumb, eye with your fingertip, and produce humming sound like a bee here. Breathe in. Inhale and exhale, relax. Keep your eyes closed and join your palm in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Now, to end our class on a positive note, together we'll chant one time Om, then Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Kamar gardan seedhi, aankhein band, breathe in. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandena Mrityormokshi Yamamrita. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bow your head down towards your palm. Pranam your asana by touching your forehead on ground. Bhumi Naman. Inhale, slowly come up. Rub your both palms together. दोनों हाथों को अच्छे से rub करेंगे. And now place your both palms over your eyes, on your forehead, over your neck, your chest, your lower back, and both thighs and knees. Namaskaram. Thank you everyone for joining in today. I hope you enjoyed your class. If you have any questions, you can ask now.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Have a good
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and happy yoga day to you, everyone.
happy yoga day, you and everyone.
Happy
Oh,
you all of.
Thank
right.
you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.